and you're making a big difference with the shops that you're working with now. So can you go through maybe a couple of things that, those outside the Spartan 300 group, some of the things that they should be aware of, some things that you can help with, some things that you think that, shops kind of missed the boat on, and a couple tweaks and they can be right back in the game.
Yeah, absolutely. So, customer experience for sure. I think a lot of times we, as shop owners, and I was guilty of this also, we send our technicians to training or we send our estimators to training, but we're not sending our customer service professionals to training to help them be equipped with everything that they need to deliver extraordinary to our customers. And so really equipping your entire team with everything that they need to be successful. So I do the customer experience training with Collision Advice. We do virtual and we do it in person. I also do the employee experience where I will go into a shop and I will facilitate employee engagement sessions. I'll do surveys sometimes before we go, where we are giving the employees a survey that they fill out beforehand. And then I go in and I facilitate some conversations around that. And then sometimes it's, I'm just going into the shop, having these conversations one-on-one with each team member and not doing a survey before, but really working to fill in the gaps of communication, really working to identify, okay, do we have any blind spots? Have we as leaders made any promises to our team where, we have a lot of things going on and maybe something fell through that we didn't follow up on? And really that's been eating away at someone. Well, in these conversations, some of that stuff has come to light and we can have some healthy conversations and resolve those issues. Because one of the most important things in any business, whether collision repair or any business, is a foundation of trust. I mean, you have to have a foundation of trust within your organization if you want to have a healthy workplace. And so that's really some of the goals that, we go into when I go into shops is, number one, making sure that we fill in the gaps of communication. There is that foundation of trust where we can have healthy conflict. Sometimes people think that all conflict is bad, and it's not. Right. Conflict, if it's done in a healthy way, is where growth happens. That's where we're going to come up with ideas that we would never come up with before if we don't hear each other's perspective in a healthy way.